the Subaru to test it for the first time on dirt. We had fun with the Rally Evo, the Breezy Evo yesterday, and things got a little spicy, so hopefully you can calm it down a little bit so there's no hiccups, but I'm really excited to see it because he was nuts in the Evo and this car is properly set up, so we'll see. Predictions?
Success. Resounding success.
Okay, yes, we love that.
My credibility depends on it.
Success.
Yeah.
We need to see it.
What is up, guys? We are back in the woods and we're doing Subaru stuff today. And what do we got to show them, Jimmy O?
Dun, dun. We're doing Subaru things again.
Hell, oh my God, a throwback, huh?
It's crazy how many comments I still get about that.
Well, guess what?
Do I have to buy a cool Rally one now?
We got a whole new livery, baby.
Dun, dun, dun. I mean, you got a whole new everything. Look at it.
All right, guys, check the car out and put some B-rolls on the screen right now. We got a whole new livery. Looks absolutely amazing. All the partners involved. Steck, you guys know, with the craziest PPF, 10 mil thick, that's gonna protect this thing. I'm super happy though. This car is the epitome of what I think rally cars should look like and do look like. Like, it's definitely got the
well,
spice going on.
Like this. They gotta start like this, right?
Yeah.
Have they seen the color too?
Yeah,
Okay.
I showed the color. I didn't say I was doing a livery. I'm sure some people guessed, but
Yeah, you got it.
I feel like I'm that guy that's showing up to his first drift event right now.
Yeah,
Like, you know what I'm saying? With like full sponsored out livery, done like one lap at the track before, but
it's all right. You just gotta, you know, drive the part.
hey, look,
Put some pressure on you.
these are the people that helped me put this car together and pursue going and driving rally stuff. So I'm gonna represent them as good as I can. But before we test the car for the first time in the dirt with Jimmy as passenger, a couple little updates.
I want to passenger.
Oh hell yeah, dude.
Oh god.
Oh hell yeah,
Okay,
dude.
I saw how you drove that Evo, brother.
Dude, it's gonna be a good time.
Oh, just you guys wait for that footage.
I know. We did do some updates to the car, so I'm gonna give you a quick little walk around and let you know what's new with the car before we dive into our first laps with it. So aesthetically, obviously we did the full stack PPF over the ruby red paint. The rear bumper's new. We put these clips in because the rear bumpers on these like to blow out.
That's sick.
Yeah, these
What's
are what
the
we
name of this?
I don't remember, but we used it on the E36 race car.
Send me that link.
Yeah, I hate the little, you know, the elastic things?
Yeah, those are the worst.
Yeah, these are sick. So
It's like not as old school looking as a Zeus clip. It still looks industrial.
yep.
I like that.
The bumpers will blow off here. We did some rally mud flaps. These are from like the UK.
From IKEA.
No, these are like legit FIA grade, the right distance. Dave over at Rally Ready has been super helpful. He's been a great resource in telling me all the things to do and not do. Got him with some love on the back plate. Walking around, we have the same wheels, but I put some fresh prismatic powders, American Gold, and these are the speed lines, but just fresh coating, looks good. And this is Acceler's rally tire that we got on here. So I got brand new tires on the car that I'm gonna be able to test. I'm super excited to try these.
This is wild. Like, is
I
this
know.
for like compression and side bite? What is that for?
Maybe it's to prevent from punctures. I'm not sure, but you can find these bad boys at Tire Streets. You guys know them. We all love them. Got all the logos on here. You'll notice I got KJ on the car because he's gonna be co-driving for me at the first rally sprint that I'm gonna do over in Texas.
You told me you were gonna go blah by.
I wish, I just didn't have time.
Fair. So when you crash the front, we'll go blah by.
No. I do kind of think it would look cool to blah by.
It's cool. The Hawkeye obviously makes it look newer and aggressive. It's cool.
So shout out to Dave as well. These little brackets are what he does on all of his school cars and his rentals just to make sure the mud flaps don't blow off. Other than that, everything else new on this car, you guys won't be able to see on the outside. Jimmy,
So,
pop the hood for me.
Is this now, are you now Rally HQ or are you guys still Drift HQ?
Yeah, Rally HQ coming soon.
Okay, I like that.
One of the most important things on cars, of course, is cooling, and that is one of the weak points I was told with this car. You don't need to do the lash, come on.
I thought it was like a trip.
No. Come on, dude. Race car.
Whatever, man.
You'll notice we got some new shiny PWR intercooler and radiator. Unlike a lot of other companies, PWR does a lot of research and testing, and actually this is one of the few top mount intercoolers that actually are better than stock.
You know what's sick about PWR?
What?
They do all of the high-end OE stuff, so they let all the OEM manufacturers spend all the money on all the crazy research, and then us aftermarket guys get to reap the benefits from that.
It's true, and you got to think too, like OE stuff is really good. They obviously put a lot of time and energy into it, and that's why a lot of times you buy a cheap radiator, it's actually worse than stock. So you'll notice this one's thinner than the one that was in here before, but it's designed to optimize cooling. Beautiful piece, beautiful welds. Top mount intercooler is nice. Obviously in a rally car, you go front mount and you hit something would suck. That's the reason for keeping that.
There we go.
Yeah, didn't you know that?
That's it. Four-man function. We love it.
So other things that are new underneath the hood, we've got a Destruct fuel filter. The old one was a little tired, so we threw that in there just to make sure we're keeping everything clean. But the big thing you can't see, and that's that we upped the restrictor, baby.
What does that mean?
So before this car probably made like mid 200s to low 200s. Now it's making like
So you
high 200s.
up the restrictor. Does that mean you made it smaller or bigger?
Bigger.
So you,
I went
you
up in
downed
size.
you downed the restrictor.
What? Yeah, well, however you want to say it.
You made less of a restriction. Hell yeah.
All right, so I had Freddie throw this thing on the dyno, and he got this thing making some jam. I'm gonna put the graphs up on the screen. He tuned it both on the small restrictor and the big restrictor. You can see that overlay here. Certain stages will have me running a 32 mil restrictor, and then the Rallysprint, you can run a little bit bigger one.
Okay, so the restrictor is a class limitation.
Correct.
Not because you want to run it.
Correct. So we made a whopping 400 foot-pounds of torque. It's still under 300 horsepower, but it's gonna be zippy. The best thing though, when I got this car, EVCS was not working, which is variable cam timing. So,
Which is huge. That's so much low end right there.
look at this graph on the screen right here. You can see how much it picked up. I don't even know how much, but you guys will see on the screen. But it picked up a lot of mid-range, so this thing should be feeling spicy.
That and the restrictor, this thing should get up a dig pretty good.
I'm excited to feel it.
Yeah, me too. You ready?
Oh, one other big thing.
Okay.
Not a normal rally thing to do. This car is on some fancy fuel called Rally Max, which I'm sure is great if you're on a stage because consumption is better. E85, obviously you use a little bit more, but since I'm gonna be doing mainly rally sprints, I went over to an ethanol, specifically Ignite. I trust Ignite in every car that I drive. Yeah, well, more than anything, I wanna keep it cool. It's on a stock turbo, so the ethanol keeps cylinder temps down, helps spool a little bit.
Pressure, yeah, it'll be good.
So we're running on Ignite E90 in this thing now, and
Sick.
one other thing, we put fuel protective sleeving because the fuel lines run through the cabin.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, safety first.
Why not?
Safety first. Yeah.
So
It's good.
that's your update, and now we're about to fire up and take her for her first rips.
Have some fun.
Casual mid-video reminder that our F80 giveaway is almost over, and every $5 you spend on LZMFG or DriftHQ.com is gonna be entered for a chance to win this beautiful car. Mike, can you put some B-rolls over this while I'm holding the camera? And $15,000 cash. It's amazing. Not only that, we got LZ World Tour right around the corner. Can't wait to see you guys in Canada. Now back to the rally fun. I'm so excited for this.
I know.
No idea.
I can tell.
I haven't shut up about this. I wasn't gonna test it before Texas, but that's kind of dumb.
Yeah. It'll build some height for you too, you know?
Oh yeah. I'm stoked we can use launch control. People are yelling at me for not using it in the pavement, but I'm like, I'd feel so dumb breaking this car, launching it on the pavement.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
All right, we'll give a little cruise through and then we'll just send it. It sounds so cool. Oh, I cannot wait, Jimmy.
Oh boy.
All right, let's see how it's gonna feel. So many little rattles and stuff.
It's probably been used.
God, it drives so beautiful.
You can't not feel dorky in an open face helmet.
I know, right? All right, temps look good. Diff controller's in the right mode. Bro, it's so zippy now.
Not bad for a stock turbo.
You think we should use launch control?
Duh.
I'm so happy you're experiencing this with me for the first
Yeah,
time.
this is sick.
I need to chill on the first lap and not go full tilt. All right, so launch control, do I just press it once or
Yep.
twice?
Just once. Clutch in.
And that's it?
Yep.
That's kind of weird.
What?
Does it have 2 stages?
So, ready? Then clutch. Oh, you know what? I think it needs. Does it need that?
I don't think so. Oh yeah, now it's armed.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh,
Bro, this is insane!
yeah, oh my god. Yeah!
Oh my god!
That was ridiculous! Oh my god!
This is crazy!
That jump felt nuts!
Whoa!
Okay,
I need to
breathe.
chill after that.
No, do it again. That was sick.
There's something clunking in the front left.
Yeah, I
Feel
get
that?
it. I wonder if the wheel's rubbing. Like, cause it only happens on turns, it seems.
Yeah, we'll put some eyes on it. It sounds like something's loose on the front left.
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
definitely loose. Here, pull over on the pavement and I'll look at it.
God, that was crazy.
That was so sick. Oop. Oh, you de-beaded.
No way.
Yeah, she's long.
That's weird.
right, looks like we forgot to check tire pressure.
I thought it was driving really good at first, and then I was like, man, I can't get this thing to do anything.
Did you see it, TP?
No.
Felt nuts.
Yeah. Do you think it was probably up the jump?
Yeah, oh, for sure.
I wonder if I hit a rock or if I just was running too low of pressure.
Too low.
I think we went pretty high.
We need some bead locks on there now.
No, I meant pretty high in the air.
Oh, yeah.
Did we catch air? Felt like it.
Yeah,
see it.
we definitely
We're gonna
had
have to do it again.
Yeah, it's got big droops, so you don't know, but it felt nuts.
I get a crazy knocking noise from this side. Probably pump the air in the tire. I want to check. Do it while I do that.
There we go.
What do you think about 30?
That's low.
Is it?
Yeah.
What would you go to?
I'd probably go to 36 for now. You're in pretty deep,
Okay.
like pretty deep sand.
All right.
Yeah, that's what this one's, yeah. Did you know you could do this? I've never, how do I not know about
that's
that?
kind of cool.
Look at it, just airline straight to.
You gotta be in the game 20 years, boys.
By the way, I'd like to formally introduce you guys to Seamus. Seamus is the one who originally built this car. He's
Don't hit him with that.
He's from Taylor Chassis Solution.
Seamus.
I know, I'm just playing him. Oh, what the heck?
Okay.
Pro race car builder, originally built this car. He was very sad to see the condition that it's in, and hopefully I inspired some hope that it will be improving in my ownership.
So, when I peer pressured you to buy it that day on Instagram,
True, that is true. He did
I
do
knew,
that.
I'm like, this needs to go to a good home that's going to be appreciated, because we were big sad when the boys, like, we all built it, we see it go, it was beautiful, and it just degraded as it got used. I'm just really happy to see, like, somebody who gives a shit, you know?
Now he gets to work on it again.
I send huge bills. Like, he doesn't know yet, but
I wonder if it like wasn't seated all the way. Maybe that's why it popped off.
it takes a lot to seat these things. They're like super stiff sidewalls.
They put there in all of them now.
Yeah.
It's funny to know that even with one de-beaded, it still felt that good.
Yeah, right?
All right, launch control enabled. You ready, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Holy
Weird.
Camera died on us, but it's smooth.
Yeah, it's hard to get it to rotate without the handbrake, like just by bleeding on the brakes.
It seems like it's harder to get it to rotate than the Evo, but it seems like once it rotates, it's really snappy.
Yeah.
Like
Also, I just gotta be more committed with the throttle, I think.
Yeah,
Temps are staying great, so that's good.
that's good. Look at the, can you see through the lens right now?
Oh my god, the lens is covered, I'm sorry. Sorry for smoking your camera.
In your face.
Oh my goodness. It's getting toasty in here.
He's
that
he's
normal
pushing
to
his luck
whistle in
already.
Yes.
Bro, we are
This is
Aussie.
not
Like,
the- that's
I'm
not
like,
the-
that's a tree, that's a tree, that's a tree.
Really?
That's cool.
It sounds so wild with the restrictor though.
Yeah?
Yeah. All you hear is like,
Bro, this track is not wide enough for this. He got the handbrake rotation good though. Like he's putting a lot of confidence in it. And the ruts, dude, the ruts are deeper from 2 runs of this versus a whole like day of evoing. So. This thing's so sick, dude.
Oh my dirt. right, we should probably chill. I gotta load.
Yeah, you're getting too excited. I thought we were gonna understeer right into the fence. Landing straight to e-brake was so gangster.
Thanks.
Do it, just let it eat, let it eat.
Yeah, I think we're good. This thing's filthy now.
Oh yeah, it's
The
properly
bumper's
used.
probably like hanging off.
Dude, the ruts are ridiculous.
Yeah.
Drove the bumper off this. Thank you for not killing me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so the one big thing that we got to do before the car goes in the trailer, luckily has nothing to do with cooling. Cooling was dialed thanks to PWR. The front bumper kept coming off, so Johan.
Why, Adam?
Johan and Owen are already on it, adding some additional screws and mounting hardware because we want to keep it looking pretty. One thing I forgot to mention in the video, did I tell you, Jimmy, what our oil pressure issue was the whole time? Did I ever tell you?
Bad filter. Right?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So the filter that was on the car was like a cheap Napa filter, and I guess some oil filters have built-in bypass valves. So the car wasn't making proper oil pressure just because someone put a cheap oil filter
You were
on.
ready to split the case.
I was literally
Start
ready
small.
to do an oil pump. I ordered an oil pump.
Start small, guys.
Isn't that crazy? Have you ever heard of that?
Yeah. There are certain filters that don't have bypass valves. Like, they just don't. Most modern ones do. The other thing is too, is depending, like I've seen people put filters on where the stud is too long. And it literally like gets close to bottoming out. It would have to be the really wrong filter, but happens a lot of like Miatas and that sort of thing.
So if you want to be on it, watch out.
Well, what's interesting about it is it had okay oil pressure, but as you would rev it, it wouldn't go up, which is something I wouldn't normally check, but I think it's just from the four rotor and being scarred from that.
Yeah.
Like whenever I see any abnormal like oil pressure behavior, I'm just like, So we probably saved doing damage by not driving the car like that.
Oh, for sure. And I'm glad you had the self-control.
Yeah. I didn't film an outro because I thought I was going to roll into some more content with the R32 sedan. I wound up being dark before I took it for a spin, but man, this car is so dang good. I haven't really given you guys an update on it in a while. Still pretty much everything drivetrain wise is the same. Couple new changes though. We got an N1 hood lip. We've got a GTR grille paint matched. We got paint matched LMGT2s, the same wheels that were on it before with the same tire setup, but we're 1 inch wider in the front, so now it's got an actual lip to it, but it looks money now. So Pete's a little annoyed with me. He wants to go home. So I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I am so excited to go and get my Subaru on the stage and share the experience with you guys. I got a taste of it with the GTR. I'm hooked. Now I'm actually gonna be competing, not just zero car. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride, and I hope you're as excited as I am. And I'll see you guys soon.
When you say